This is a quick guide on how to set up your new CleanAir kit. You've got three essential components. You've got the power unit, you've got the hose, and you've got the headpiece. The first thing you need to do is to ensure that your battery is fully charged. The kit comes complete with a charger which you can plug directly into the battery, or with the battery in situ on the power unit, which just slides on the bottom like so, and plug in the back of the unit. You need to check that the filter's in place. Just unclip the unit. There it is. The hose comes with a screw fitting end or a push fitting end. Screw end goes on the power unit, push fitting end goes onto the headpiece. Once you've assembled your unit, you're ready to go apart from three checks. You need to check your facepiece, make sure there's no damage, ensure the seal's in place correctly, no damage to the seal. Check your hose, ensure there's no damage to your hose, make sure there's no holes in it. And then finally, you need to check the airflow in the power unit. To do this, you get the airflow meter, screw it to the top of the unit like so. Switch the unit on by pressing and holding the large on-off button. This will show a floating indicator, and as long as that is in the green section or above, then you know you've got the correct airflow. You will see on the display screen of the unit you've got three rows of lights. The bottom row is to indicate the battery level. The middle row is for the fan speed, which you can increase by pressing the button. And then the top row of lights will come on as your filter gets clogged. This is an indicator that the filter needs changing. Once you've done all your tests and you're assembled, you're ready to go with your new unit.